Hey, Jeff here, pharmapricing.org. Thanks for coming by. Just wanted to quickly show you this business intelligence analysis, really looking at renal cell carcinoma, specifically Nexavar revenue. I actually just finished up the table of contents. I haven't even spell checked it yet or saved it, but I was so excited that I just wanted to show you this. And for those of you that aren't signed up yet, you can sign up on our website, pharmapricing.org. On the left, enter your name and email address, and you'll get this full analysis, as well as countless others looking in depth. So, I mean, obviously, we have a summary to keep things short, full of contextual information. We show you the facts and where we got them. We examine the epidemiology in quite some depth to try and isolate lurking variables and determine the impact that they have on sales. And I mean, really, there's some really interesting findings in here. I blogged about them a little bit at pharmapricing.org. I encourage you to check it out. There's some other videos. But I mean, not just in renal carcinoma, but we're looking at several cancer indications, and then we actually go into hepatocellular carcinoma in quite some depth. And the results of this on sales in itself makes signing up worthwhile. And then we're contrasting with the other available treatments, including off-label treatments, delving really into the market access, there's actually a typo here, that's how new this is, delving really into the formulary status. We'll see some discrepancies and understand what that means on pricing. Looking at market share across Europe, South Korea, and India, the treatment costs, looking at NICE and the end-of-life appraisal and what that means for Sutin. It actually qualified for approval by NICE because of that, whereas Nexavar didn't. Furthermore, so then we will go into Nexavar in detail as well as GSK drugs. We're looking at revenues, and then the really interesting part, looking at the contribution of liver cancer, that's hepatocellular carcinoma, to revenue for Nexavar. And I mean, that goes back to, we talk a bit about that up here, and you'll see, but we really analyze the data in quite some depth. Then as well, not only having looked really at the past and the present, but we make some good claims going forward as well. We approach these Asian emerging markets with some skepticism, or that is to say, the hype might not be felt as quickly as possible, although the demographic drivers are sound. So anyways, I wanted to just quickly show you this 28-page report that we've come up with. Larry Gorkin, who's 13 years director-level experience at Pfizer and evidence-based access, have put this report together with myself, and we're publishing it here exclusively at pharmapricing.org. So sign up now, enter your name and email address, and get this great content. Thanks again for stopping by.